Hey, have you heard about the recent news regarding nuclear wastewater?
Yes, I have. It's a concerning issue. Nuclear wastewater refers to the water that has been used in nuclear facilities, like power plants or research centers, and becomes contaminated with radioactive materials.
That sounds really dangerous. What kind of hazards does nuclear wastewater pose?
Well, first and foremost, the radioactive substances in the wastewater emit harmful ionizing radiation. This radiation can damage living tissues and cells, increasing the risk of cancer and other health problems in humans and wildlife, if not properly managed.
Yikes, that's scary. How is it usually managed?
The management of nuclear wastewater is complex. Typically, it's treated to remove as many radioactive particles as possible, and then the remaining wastewater is often stored in specially designed containment facilities. However, even with treatment, some level of radioactivity might still remain.
So, what happens if it's not managed properly?
If nuclear wastewater isn't managed properly, there's a risk of contamination in the surrounding environment. If it leaks into groundwater, rivers, or oceans, it could potentially contaminate drinking water sources and aquatic ecosystems. This could have long-lasting impacts on both the environment and human health.
Are there any recent examples of nuclear wastewater issues?
Yes, for example, the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in Japan resulted in large amounts of contaminated water accumulating at the site. The Japanese government had to make difficult decisions about how to manage and eventually release some of that treated water into the ocean, which sparked international concerns.
It really highlights the importance of not just producing nuclear energy, but also handling its byproducts responsibly.
Absolutely. Nuclear energy can offer benefits, but managing its waste is a crucial part of the process to ensure safety for both current and future generations.
Well, I hope that governments and scientists find the best solutions to address this issue without putting people and the environment at risk.
Agreed, it's a challenging problem, but with careful planning and international cooperation, we can hopefully minimize the risks associated with nuclear wastewater